Hook artificial intelligence is being sold to you as magic. But here's the truth no one wants to admit: most of what you hear about AI is marketing hype, not reality. INTRO tech CEOs, investors, and YouTube influencers have been pumping AI promises for years. AGI is coming next year. AI will replace every job. Machines will think like humans. But when you actually look at what AI can and cannot do, the gap between the hype and reality is massive. And that gap is costing people real money, real jobs, and real trust. Before we get into it, hit that subscribe button in the corner right now. It's free, takes 1 second, and you'll never miss a video. Do it now. Today I'm exposing 5 AI myths the industry doesn't want you to question. What do you think? Is AI overhyped or underhyped? Tell me in the comments right now. I read every one. Myth 1: AI will replace all jobs. This is the biggest lie in tech. Every AI wave since the 1950s has come with mass unemployment predictions. The ATM was supposed to end bank tellers. Spreadsheets were supposed to kill accountants. Instead, bank teller jobs grew because ATMs made branches cheaper to open. AI is doing the same thing right now. It handles the boring parts so humans can do the high-value work. The World Economic Forum's own data shows AI will create 97 million new jobs by 2025 while displacing 85 million. That's a net gain of 12 million jobs. But you don't hear that in the panic headlines. What you hear is fear, because fear gets clicks. The real risk isn't AI taking your job, it's someone who knows how to use AI taking your job. That's a very different problem, and it's one you can actually do something about. Myth 2: AI is objective and unbiased. This one is dangerous. We're using AI to screen job applicants, approve loans, even recommend prison sentences. And people assume that because a machine decided, it must be fair. But AI models learn from human data. Human data is full of bias. Amazon scrapped its AI recruiting tool because it learned to penalize resumes containing the word women. Facial recognition systems are up to 34% more likely to misidentify black women than white men, according to a landmark MIT study. The algorithm isn't biased, the training data is. And until we solve that fundamental problem, AI will keep amplifying the biases we've spent decades trying to fix. The machine just makes discrimination look more scientific. Myth 3: AI actually understands what it's saying. ChatGPT can write a poem about Friedrich Nietzsche making pancakes. It can explain quantum physics in the voice of a pirate. It sounds intelligent. So we assume it understands. But large language models are prediction engines. They don't know what true means. They don't know what false means. They just know which words statistically follow other words. When you ask an AI a question, it's not thinking, it's completing a pattern. That's why these systems confidently make up fake court cases, fake academic papers, and fake historical events. Lawyers have been sanctioned for citing AI-generated cases that never existed. The AI wasn't lying, it literally cannot tell truth from fiction. It's the world's most confident bullshitter, and we're trusting it with everything from homework to legal documents. Myth 4: AGI is just around the corner. Every year since 2015, someone famous in tech has predicted artificial general intelligence within 5 years. Elon Musk said it in 2019. Sam Altman has been hinting at it for years. Venture capitalists use the AGI timeline to raise billions. But here's what they don't tell you. We don't even have a working definition of AGI. No test proves it. No agreed benchmarks exist. We can't measure what we can't define. Current AI systems can beat humans at specific narrow tasks, chess, protein folding, image recognition, but they can't learn a new task from one example the way a toddler can. That's the gap between narrow AI and general intelligence. And no one has a roadmap to cross it. Myth 5: AI creates original content. AI can generate images, music, code, and text in seconds. It feels like creativity. But it's not creation, it's recombination. Every AI output is a statistical blend of its training data. It can't have a genuine new idea because it doesn't have experiences, emotions, or consciousness. Consider this. If you train an AI on every painting created before 1850 and ask it to generate something new, it will never invent Impressionism. It can't break rules it doesn't know exist. Human creativity comes from lived experience, frustration, joy, and the desire to express something personal. AI has none of that. It remixes. It doesn't create. OUTRO. So those are 5 AI myths you should stop believing. AI isn't replacing all jobs, it isn't objective, it doesn't understand, AGI isn't coming tomorrow, and it can't truly create. If you're getting value from this, smash that subscribe button right now. Tomorrow I'm covering 5 AI tools that actually deliver on their promises, no hype, just results. The subscribe button is right there in the corner, tap it. YouTube's about to recommend another video, watch one more before you go. See you tomorrow.